Hi guys, welcome to ITBK. Today I will show you how we can check a Wi-Fi password using command prompt on any window. Either you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can check using the same way I will do here. In the start menu, type CMD and open command prompt as an administrator. We will use commands to disclose the password and we could use this password then on other devices. Before proceeding, please consider subscribing my channel. The first command you have to type here is netsh, press enter, then please type wlan show profile and press enter again. You will see all the Wi-Fi profiles saved to your laptop. So you can see Wi-Fi password for all of the user profile that will be available into your laptop. Now the next important command we are going to type here that will show our Wi-Fi password for AMP network. So let's go ahead and we want to disclose the password for AMP network so that we can use this password to connect to other devices. So this is the command we have to type here to show the password for AMP Wi-Fi network. You can use any of Wi-Fi network name here to see the password. So let's go ahead and press enter to see this password. That's great. We have disclosed the password for AMP network and that password is in key content here, right? Now we can use this password to connect to any other device or to connect any other device to this network. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.